Hello, today we're going to be changing out the front indicator lamp of a Toyota Corolla 1988. It's an old one and we couldn't find any videos on the internet, so we thought we'd video this just to help people out in future. So if you come around this side and you have a look down here, at the end of the screwdriver there's a Phillips head with a screw on. So I'm going to undo that. Be careful not to let it drop, because if it falls down there in amongst the bodywork you might have a bit of trouble. So it's not very many turns to loosen it. That's what's going to come out. Okay, so put that safe, and we're going to put it down by the side of the car. Now also in here, if you have a look down here at the end of my screwdriver, there's a bit of a clip. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, where this is, it's almost like a small, it almost looks like a bit of a holder or a cup. Anyway, that's an actual clip. So where this clip touches the front of the car, you almost have to sort of just apply a bit of pressure, and that will allow the fitting to come out. In fact, you can see the clip here there. So when this is inside the car, that retains it, so you have to push that in slightly and allows this to pop out. And then you have to rotate this to take the fitting out fully, and now you've got access to the bottom, which is a bayonet fitting. You turn it about 20 degrees and you pull it out, and there you can see we've got the blown lamp. And the blown lamp, as you can see, is a bayonet type, but the two pins at the bottom, A, they're the same height up, but B, they're not at a 3 and a 9 o'clock position. So you need to replace like for like, otherwise it won't go in the fitting here. So when you get your new fitting, you simply put it back into the holder, press and turn it, and then it's a reverse of exactly what you've done. There's also, as Frank mentioned here, there's a notch here at the front of the car, and that all has to line up with the fitting as it goes in. So the same, you have to sort of rotate it and put it in, and then as you can see, I'm about to push this in, the clip will retain it, and then the holes here will line up where the Phillips head screw goes in. So that will click in there into place, and then now I'll get the Phillips screw, which I put in earlier. Remember, take your time, because if it falls down you're going to spend a lot longer trying to fish it out. So probably about 8 or 9 full turns, give it a little bit of pressure, and that's done. That's how to do it. I am Alex and this is Frank.